Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to contact YouTube support. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open your browser and then type here youtube.com/t/contact us and then hit enter and scroll down to the bottom. Then here you'll find this additional contact information, and in this section you'll find this fax number from YouTube. You can directly call this number, and here you can contact YouTube at the address below. Also, you can visit their office using this address. This was the way to contact YouTube support. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.